Ever wondered why your body launches you into a mini explosion called a sneeze? Dust, pepper, bright light, even cold air can tickle the nerves inside your nose. Your brain gets a message. Alert! Something's inside. Your chest, throat, and face muscles get ready. Your body takes a deep breath. Everything pauses for one split second. Boom! Your lungs blast air at up to 160 kilometers per hour. Millions of droplets shoot out to clear your nose. A sneeze releases tension in your nerves. That's why it feels like a tiny reset for your brain. So the next time you sneeze, remember, your body is literally firing a biological air cannon.